Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to calibrate PlayStation 5 controller, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Calibrating a PlayStation 5 controller typically involves ensuring it functions correctly and adjusting sensitivity or dead zones if necessary. Here's how you can calibrate your PS5 controller. First method, checking controller functionality. Check the physical condition of the controller, ensuring buttons, triggers, and analog sticks respond properly without sticking or feeling loose. If you notice issues, you can reset the controller by pressing the small reset button on the back with a paper clip or a similar tool. Another method, adjusting sensitivity and dead zones. Go to the PS5 home screen and choose the settings icon. Scroll down and go to accessory section. Choose the controller, and here you can adjust settings such as the trigger sensitivity, etc. Last method, in-game calibration. Some games offer controller calibration options within the settings menus. You can look for options related to controller sensitivity, dead zones, or button mapping. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.